quick drawings. For addition and subtraction. Quick drawings are quick sketches to help students visualize a problem. In this case, for decimals, the quick drawing pictures are a square, a line, and a circle. The square represents the amount of ones or wholes. There would be a decimal right here with a normal number, and the long is the tenths place, and the circle is the hundredths place. Let's do an example of a quick drawing for an addition problem. The addition problem we should use is 1 and 37 hundredths plus 1 and 85 hundredths. The first step is to do a quick drawing of each number, and I line up my pictures on one on top of the other, just as if I was going to do the stack and add. So 1 whole, 3 tenths, and 7 hundredths. And I am going to line up my hundredths in groups of 5 so that that's easy for me to see. And then 1 and 85 hundredths, so there's 1 whole, and 8 hundredths, there's 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5 hundredths. Now you do exactly what you do with the stack and add. You start at the far right and you combined. Let's look at our hundreds. How many hundredths do we have? Well, this is 7, so 5 and 2 is 7, and 5, so there's 5, 10, 11, 12, but I need to group them in groups of 10. Since there's more than 10, I'm going to circle these 10, 5 and 5. I'm going to cross them out. I'm going to draw an arrow, and I am going to add a tenth to the tenths. Now I am going to count up my tenths. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have more than 9, so I need to circle my group of 10. Well, there's 4 and 5 is 9 and 1 more. Okay, and I'm going to cross them out so that I know that I've used them. And draw my arrow and give me a hole. I only have 3 ones, so I'm done. Now I just need to record my answer. So I have 1, 2, 3 holes. That's where my decimal goes. I have, well, all of these have been used, but I have 1, 2 tenths that have not been used. And I've used all of these, but there's 2 hundredths I have not used. So my answer is 3 and 22 hundredths. Now let's do a subtraction problem. 4 and 5 hundredths minus 1 and 61 hundredths. I have stacked it like this so that you can see how the quick drawing that I will do on the left correlates to the work that you do on the right. So first, when you do subtraction, the only number that you draw a quick picture for is for the top, the greater number that you are working with. In this case, that is 4 and 5 hundredths. You draw 4 ones, 0 tenths, and 5 hundredths. 5. Now I need to subtract. I'm going to start with my hundredths. So 5 minus 1 equals, well, let's just cross out our 100ths. That is 4. Now, I'm going to look at my tenths. I have 0 tenths, but I need to take away 6. How can I do that? I need to regroup. I need to take one of my wholes and regroup that into 10 tenths. So that makes it 10 minus 6. To show that in the quick picture, I'm going to circle and cross out one of my wholes. I'm going to draw my arrow and I'm going to do 10 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I need to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many tenths do I have left? I have 4. I have my decimal because I'm done working with the decimal numbers, and now I'm working with wholes. So I have 3 wholes minus 1, so I need to cross out 1 whole. And what do I have left? Well, I have 2 wholes right there. So my answer is 2 and 44 hundredths.